Hello, my lilies, and welcome to my channel, Sweet Lily Moon ASMR. Today's video is going to be a subscriber request. This lily requested a soft spoken and whisper positive affirmation video with clicking sounds. If you like these type of videos, let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you have any requests of any kind, let me know in the comment section below. I'll look at it, and if I'm able to do it, I'll let you know. And if I'm not able to do it, I will also let you know so that you won't be waiting for a video. Now, when I contact you, I will ask you what your idea is for your video request, like what kind of plot and information so that I can make it accustomed to your request. If you don't know, if you need help, I will help you to decide if you need any type of help of what kind of storyline, or if you want a certain type of way the video to go, I'll help you with that. So I ask you questions and you just let me know what you like, and if you need help, let me know. Also, if you want your name to be said in the video, let me know also in the comment section below. And it has to be your first name only. No first and last names. I don't do last names. And it cannot be screen names like boy123 or girl123, etc. It has to be a first name in order for me to use it, so that it could be as realistic as possible. And with that said, my lilies, you can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok at Sweet Lily Moon ASMR. Now, let's get started. I want you to relax. You can close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Hold it and let it out, either through the nose or through the mouth. You can either sit in a chair or you can lie down. I am intelligent. I am beautiful. I am gracious. I am worthy. I am loved. I am cared for. I am amazing. I am able. I am capable. I am able to achieve all that I set my mind to. I am a positive person. I am intellectually, emotionally smart. I am able to control my emotions. I am stunning. I am an overachiever. I am kind. I am a peaceful person. I embody love. I embody grace. I am a magnet for success and love. I am able to attract the desires that I want. Everything I put my mind to comes to me easily, quickly, and effortlessly. Everyone, favor is always with me. I am filled with grace, peace, and love. Peace, love, and grace follow me wherever I go. I am able to attract the right people in my life. I am chosen. I am always chosen. With all the things I desire, what I desire chooses me, comes to me easily, quickly, and effortlessly. I am able to knock down all obstacles in my way. I have the strength to conquer all my fears. I am fearless. I am filled with grace. Everyone likes me. Everybody favors me everywhere I go. Nothing is impossible when I put my mind into it. Everyone I choose always succeed. I am able to control my anger. I am not easily angered. I am always happy. I am an amazing girlfriend. I am an amazing boyfriend. I those around me. I am giving. I am selfless. I am caring. I am compassionate. 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 I am delightful. I am a pleasure to be around. I am uncomparable. Nothing compares to me. I am creative, 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 creative. I am artistic, artistic, artistic. I am highly valued. I am valuable to all my family and friends. I am able to see my full potential. I always do, and I am able to do the things I want to my fullest ability and potential. I am courteous. I am gorgeous. peaceful.